This lesson is for 3.1, adding fractions with unlike denominators. Some vocabulary you will need to know for this lesson is the word multiples, which means to skip count by the same number. LCM, or least common multiple, that's where we will choose the smallest multiple two factors have in common. And the least common denominator, or LCD, and that is the smallest number that is a common denominator. The problem that we're going to be solving for our anchor task is a plank is 1/2 red and 1/3 green. The rest is painted yellow. What fraction of the plank is painted green and red? So we are going to be adding 1/2 plus 1/3. The first step is to list all the multiples for denominators 2 and 3. So for 2 we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and for 3 we have the numbers 3, 6, and 9. Step 2, determine the least common multiple, or LCM, which is 6, and I've circled that in red here. You can see this is the first multiple that both factors have in common. Now we need to change the fractions so that we can add them, because we can't add 1/2 and 1/3 because they do not have the same denominator. So we need to change 1/2 into a fraction that is a sixth. So to do that, we multiply by the power of 1, and we're doing 3/3. So 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, and I circled this because I'll need this number later. And now I need to change 1/3 and multiply it by 2/2. And 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, and I circle that so I remember to add it. And then I take both fractions, 3/6 plus 2/6, and get 5/6. So 5/6 of the bench is painted green and red. The assignment for this lesson is workbook page 93, numbers 1 through 4, and page 94, all the problems.